Are you tired of struggling with weight loss? Are you looking for a solution that not only helps you shed those unwanted pounds but also supports your overall well-being? Look no further. Introducing DuoTrim, the only dual-action gut health supplement designed to help you lose weight and keep it off. With our uniquely formulated blend of natural plants and nutrients, you'll experience a whole new level of weight loss support and vitality. Get ready to transform your body and your life with DuoTrim. DuoTrim is a game-changer when it comes to weight loss. Our proprietary blend of all-natural vegan ingredients works in harmony with your body to accelerate fat burn, support appetite suppression, and ramp up your metabolism. Say goodbye to stubborn pounds and hello to a slimmer, healthier you. With DuoTrim's unique active and burn protocol, you can unlock a whole new level of weight loss success. Our powerful formula is designed to provide you with all-day energy while supporting accelerated weight loss. From the moment you start taking DuoTrim, you'll feel the difference as it suppresses your appetite and boosts your metabolism. Get ready to embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you. Unleash the power of healthy bacteria for improved gut health. DuoTrim contains a carefully crafted blend of 7 different bacteria types from the Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, and Bacillus families. These highly effective bacteria work wonders in your gut biome, assisting with healthy weight loss and improving overall gut health. Experience the transformative power of a balanced gut microbiome with DuoTrim. Discover the potent ingredients inside DuoTrim. DuoTrim Active. Lactobacillus acidophilus supports a healthy digestive system, reduces appetite and cravings, and boosts the immune system. Lactobacillus rhamnosus improves symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, reduces appetite and cravings, and may reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. DuoTrim Burn. Agave inulin reduces appetite and cravings, increases feelings of fullness, and supports weight loss. Flaxseed reduces appetite and cravings, increases feelings of fullness, and supports weight loss. Acai, guar and gas supports weight loss, reduces appetite and cravings, and increases feelings of fullness. Trusting your weight loss journey with DuoTrim is easier than ever. We use only the purest, lab-tested ingredients that have been carefully formulated into our unique stack. Our plant-based ingredients are non-GMO, non-habit-forming, and contain no stimulants. With DuoTrim, you can achieve your weight loss goals naturally and safely. DuoTrim's effectiveness is backed by powerful scientific research. Our unique 2-step protocol combines a perfect blend of 7 different bacteria types, which have been clinically proven to help you lose weight fast. We have compiled clinical studies that demonstrate the scientific proof of weight loss using unbiased and methodical testing. Trust in the science behind DuoTrim and unlock your weight loss potential. There's no better time than now to take control of your weight and your health. Trust in the power of DuoTrim and experience the incredible benefits of a healthier, slimmer you. With our 180-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose except those unwanted pounds. Order your supply of DuoTrim today and receive exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this limited-time offer. Take the first step towards a better you with DuoTrim. Place your order today and embark on a path towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant version of yourself. Your journey to lasting weight loss starts with DuoTrim. Choose your package below,